Hebei Renair Oil Pipeline Equipment Company Limited is a specialized enterprise for producing, researching, and developing and selling oil sand control liner and oil casing pipe. The company is located in Economic Development Zone of Qing County of Hebei Province, number 104 National Road. Jinshan Expressway and Jinhu Expressway are passing here. It is 100 kilometers away to Huanghua Port, 100 kilometers away to Tianjin Port, and 80 kilometers away to Tianjin International Airport, 160 kilometers away to Capital International Airport, and 210 kilometers away to Shijiazhuang. It is advantageous location and quick and convenient communication and traffic. Hebei Renair Oil Pipeline Equipment Company Limited has nearly 100 sets of world-class professional laser liner production equipment. At present, main products of sand control liner series include oil casing pipes with different models, such as laser slotted liner, drilling and sand control pipe, high-density punched chink pipe, wire-wrapped liner, grid-type liner, and composite liner, etc. These products have different performances, which could meet the requirements of oil clients completely. The company has always upheld the idea of quality first. Our core values are to meet the customer's requirement and try hard to do everything well. After persistent efforts, the company has passed the certification of ISO 9001-2008 International Quality System, ISO 14001-2004 Environment System, and GPT 28001-2001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. So the company has reliable safety, health, and quality guarantee system. In order to ensure the product's quality, we set up IQ Quality Group and introduced international advanced test equipments. They are strict with production process and check each procedure, such as purchase the raw material, put raw material into a warehouse, pass the test and delivery, etc. The service aim is to provide best price, most advanced technical performance, most excellent product quality, and most perfect after-sales service to customers. The strict management brings good economic benefits. Our products were sold to Liaohe, Xinjiang, Daqing, Qinghai, Shenli, Zhengyuan, and Huabei oil field in China and exported to Sudan, UAE, Iraq, Iran, Russia, USA, Venezuela, and Canada, etc. The company has excellent work environment, advanced office equipment, high-quality marketing and management team, which laid a solid foundation for Renair Company to improve the brand and become industry pioneer. Renair Company got fast development, insisted on the management idea of seeking for upper level on technology and seeking for bigger scale of production. Renair people are merging to top 500 global petroleum equipment industry within 5 years by their ambitious spirit.